Everybody, welcome to another episode of The Family Farmer. Today I thought, since it's a nice March day, I would spend some time out here in the strawberry patch. I see that it's starting to come back from the winter there. See all the nice green leaves and stuff coming up. Just kind of see what happened over winter. They were covered with leaves, but see the rabbits have been in here over winter as well. So all I'm doing today is just doing a quick weed on it, making a new border here. You can see I've pulled up the grass in here. What I'm looking for is any new growth stuff that's happened. So over here is a new offshoot, and that's a runner from what looks like my white strawberry, which is going to be pretty cool. This should be the first year that it actually produces fruit for me, so I'm pretty excited about that. It's it's a pine berry. And another runner that's come up here, so it's growing nice. You're seeing lots of leaves coming back here. That's good. So the mission today is just to kind of weed it out, get it ready to go, have some mulch put in soon. I'm working on putting up a fence here to keep the dogs and the rabbits and other people's kids out. Mine will know enough to how to deal with the berries. They've gotten quite good at it, actually. They know what to pick and which ones aren't there. So there's our patch here. Over here I'm gonna have more strawberries as well and raspberries. Had 2 plants here, but I think my puppy killed it. So yeah, this is my job here for today. Again, lots of nice green growth here, so that's good news. I'll get this all cleaned out, and when it's done, I'll show you around some more.